Hey there, friends. This is my friend Mufasa. He did the amazing camera work in that video. Mufasa, where can the good people find you on social media?
You can find me at Fuegamansa on Instagram and sometimes on YouTube nowadays.
Outstanding. Thank you so much for helping me out.
Of course. Happy holidays, everybody.
Hey friends, I hope you enjoyed that bit of flow to the always fabulous Charli XCX. Real quickly, I just want to put out a huge thank you to Flowtoys for sponsoring this video and giving me a reason to go out and get down with one of my favorite pop stars. If you'd like to grab a set of those Flowmoja LED contact poi that I was using in this video, you can do so by using the code DrexFactor NOV 2023 over at checkout at flowtoys.com. That is DrexFactor NOV 2023. Yes, we had to change the code a little early this month, but that code will work until December 1st. So get in those Black Friday orders off of that code. Thank you very much. And thank you again to Flowtoys for making it possible for me to get out and explore some flow in DC. Speaking of thank yous, I owe some thanks to the friends of the channel. Big thanks to Dark Monk, Fire Mecca, Flowfests, Flowtoys, Juggling Calling, Pyroterra Light Toys, Spinballs, and Ultra Poi for making the videos on this channel possible. You can learn more about all these amazing companies and the work that they're doing to support flow artists like yourself by checking out the links that I've got down in the description of this video. And special thanks to the non-business friend of the channel, that is Becca Beckbonen. Thank you so very much for supporting my channel, my work, and my mission. Finally, the videos on this channel would not be possible without my wonderful Patreon supporters. In particular, I would like to give a shout out to my Flow patrons who are listed on screen right now. If you'd like to check out more of my Flow videos, I will include a link to a playlist of those down in the description, as well as a link to my Patreon if you would like to sign up to support the channel. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to get out and flow today, and I'll see you with a new video real soon. Happy Thanksgiving if you live in the US, and I will see you in the new video real soon. Peace.